Oh my gosh, bro, like, you are gonna add that money up. Like, dang, bro, you want to be spend all that? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you to get McDonald's for free. So this is a modded app. Keep watching. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works, and you can basically get free food on the McDonald's app. Now, it's not advised to do this daily, but it does work. And the reason I say not to do it daily is simply because I just don't want you guys to get your McDonald's account suspended or let the team at McDonald's know that you're using this. But it is totally working, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get right into the video, guys. This is super awesome. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to get McDonald's. So what you want to do is go over to your browser, guys, and then we're just going to go over to this website right here. So once you get over to this part of the website, you just want to go to the search bar and just type in McDonald's, and as you can see, it should come up. There it is. So just press on this, guys, and I know it seems weird, but it will work, guys. It's so cool. So yeah, I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever, so definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, because the McDonald's is like so expensive. Like, I don't know, like, if you guys know about the cost, but it's bad, bro. Let's just type it in right here. Like, whoa, bro, like, chill out. Like, it is not cheap. Let me just show you guys. Where is it? Here it is, maybe. So as you can see, the menu, I don't want to download a menu, but here could be the menu. So let's just wait for this to load right here. As you guys can see, oh my gosh, bro, like, you are gonna add that money up. Like, dang, bro, you want to be spend all that like daily or whatever. So yeah, guys, you can't try this unless you want to be a free person. Like, all you gotta do, as I said, is go over to Google, and then once you get over to Google, guys, we're just gonna go to the search bar, and we're literally gonna type in zoo mods like that. So once you come up to this website, guys, literally all you have to do is go to this website and then just go to the search bar and you got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely try it out. I'm gonna see you guys in a future video. This actually works, guys. It's so awesome. But I haven't had any jailbreaking concerns or problems like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Definitely go ahead, try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in a future video. And peace out.